Hi, we're the HBP Group and we help manufacturers improve efficiency and increase profitability through MRP systems and manufacturing software. Now, if you're a manufacturer that works in the pharmaceutical industry, either producing goods, repacking goods, or doing anything where serial tracking, batch tracking, expiry dates, and traceability are really key, then MRP software, and in particular Advanced Business Cloud Essentials, is going to be a really good fit for you. So as I'm sure you know, tracing products is absolutely key in the event of a problem or potentially a product recall. But by having a system, an MRP system that has a single database for all of your data, what that means is we can trace things back all the way through to source and all the way through their lifespan as well. So in the example of a product recall, when we get that phone call to understand that there's a problem, what we need to be able to do is act quickly and decisively. Now with Advanced Business Cloud Essentials, what we can do is we can track things back all the way back to our suppliers. So if there are elements that have gone into a specific product, for example, that we've identified as the problem, then we can understand where we bought those items from. We can also understand where those items have gone within our production schedule. So have they been used for several different products, or is it all in one specific batch? And then what has happened to that product afterwards? So are potentially some of those items still in stock? Are some still in the production schedule? Are some in transit? Or have they hit our customers? And if so, which customers have they gone to? So we potentially need to do something about and make a recall. And that can happen really, really quickly. So again, you can make really decisive action. We can also, in that same process, manage things like expiry dates. So we know that which goods need to leave our door first, particularly if we're making stock ready for orders and then sending that out. So we're following our make to stock process. But also with expiry dates as well, we need to understand not just the expiry dates of our goods, but also of any components and elements that we buy in that also might have expiry dates. So we know that when we're creating our production schedule, we're using the right ones, either that we need to use the ones that are going to expire first within our process, or we're creating something specifically that needs a long lifespan, and therefore we need to pick and choose exactly what we need to do. And that leads very nicely on to the production schedule itself. Now, the production scheduling software is incredibly intelligent. So not only does it know the processes we need to go through to manufacture and to pack and everything that's involved, but it also understands around things like stock and resource as well. So if we've got orders that come in, we understand whether or not we've got the stock required for that, or whether or not we need to buy things in. And it also understands the resource that's needed, so it can schedule them out in the right order in the right way. Because the system also manages people and payroll, we can even assign costs to those processes as well, and even any expenses that go alongside them. What this all means by having this single system that manages this whole process is that we can report really accurately. So we can understand, for example, our profitability by product, just by understanding the raw material costs that go into something, but also the labour costs and any additional costs that go alongside that. So we can get really accurate information about our business. And of course, on top of that as well, the system manages all elements of our business. So everything from our sales process with the CRM system, through to order processing, purchasing, all the way through to our accounts and our payroll as well. So we can understand everything in one system quickly and easily. Now, if you'd like to find out more about how that can help, we do offer a free business process review. That free business process review starts with us looking at 3 areas of your business. So 3 areas normally that you're having problems with, challenges with, or would like to improve. We visually map out how those are working for you at the moment, and then we show you the exact same process within an MRP solution. So we show you how that could work, the efficiency, the improvements that you could get, the time savings that you could get, and ultimately where that could improve your profitability as well. So if you're interested in our free business process review, it's quick and easy to sign up for, and once you've done that, we'll be in touch with you to get the ball rolling.